What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are the bomb.com. Now in today's video, I am coming in hot with another cash stuffing. You know, we already received our October paycheck number 1, and so it is time for us to stuff our cash envelopes and some of our sinking funds. So if that's something you want to see, then stick around. Okay, so first up, I have my wallet here. I already did an unstuffing of this wallet in my savings challenge update video. So if you want to know what happened there, definitely check out that video, Eye in the Sky. And first off, we are going to stuff personal. Personal is empty and is going to get $50. So I am stuffing $500 and I think it's $500. Yeah, $555, but I also have extra money here just for change. So personal money is getting $50. I'm trying out this thin Sharpie to see if I like it, because I feel like my numbers come across real thick on here. So we'll see. And then it makes them hard to get off. Oh, I don't like it. You can't see it. Plus 50 is a balance of 50. Nah, I might have to go in hot with my regular. Plus 50, balance of 50. Yeah. See? Try to deviate. Okay, and then next is tips. Tips is going to get $9. Now, I might be setting myself up for a little bit of trouble because I don't have enough $1 bills at all. Let me make sure I did an unstuffing. Wait, I just remember I went shopping yesterday. Yeah, I still have some money in miscellaneous. Okay, so that works out. $10, $15, $16, $17 left. So we returned something and they gave us cash for that. So we'll leave that right there in case we need it. So 4 and a 5 is not, no, that is not $9, Rochelle. My goodness. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. I do not play, guys. When something is broken or not usable or we don't need it, I will return it. If we are inside the return policy, I am that person. Always get your receipts to go to your email if possible. That's what makes my life a whole lot easier, because I tend to throw them out after I scan them on Fetch. So make sure you're getting receipts at all times. I'm messing up. This goes to tips. Scan that bad boy on Fetch, grab you some points so you can build up and get you a gift card. Thank you to everybody who has already used my code, and it's a beautiful thing. Okay, groceries is only going to get $10 because we plan on shopping at Sam's and Costco, and so we'll do that electronically. So that is getting 10, and then we just added 9. Okay, next up is miscellaneous. Now we're going to add a fresh 10. And we'll add that there. Don't forget to like the video and comment, guys. Check in, even if it's just a hello. You know, everybody, I don't know if I've shared with you guys on this channel before, but I hired Eva to help me out with some of my business stuff, and one of her jobs is to help answer my comments. So yeah. Next up is Eat Out. Eat Out is getting $70, and we'll go ahead and do a 50 and a 70 and a 50 and a 70. Y'all, 50 and a 20. Happy Sunday to you good people. I usually batch record, but I got a little behind because our power went out earlier this week for some construction, and so we're gonna record this video, edit this video, and post this video in time for Sunday evening for you guys. So next up is, oh, that's it for this category. Oh, I'll leave those coins in there until next time. Next up, let's go to the sinking funds. So sinking funds, off top, y'all, remember I told you guys I was going to stuff house and hygiene because it took all my money at our last expense cash out. Not again. It's getting $100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yeah, 100. So it now has 100. Next up is self-care. Self-care is also getting 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We go for massages tomorrow. Man, I'm just loving that. Okay, so now we should have 190. Let's see. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190. So beautiful. Gonna try a new place, a new Thai massage place. We only do Thai massages around here. But yeah. Next up is health. Health is going to get $5. So it now has 100, 20, 40, 5, 145. I'm gonna cap this off, I think, at 150 until we start getting some copays. Or if we buy some more vitamins or something. I'm making sure, okay, yeah, I filled in all those. Next up is, let's see, where are we? Gifts. Gifts is getting $5. So it now has 20, 35. Next up is giving. Giving is also getting 5. So it now has 20, 30, 35, 40. So we'll go ahead and swap that out for a 20. My lighting is just crazy. Like the sun keeps going in and out. So now we're gonna be too bright. Can't win for losing. Okay, plus 5 gives us $40. Next up is Mike. He is going to get $25. And then he has his two other sinking funds in here too. So he has his outdoor sinking fund, which has $1,000. He did make some transactions, so I have to deduct some money at my next cash out. And then he has $500 in his life happens fund, I call it. Like, you know, he lost his retainer and had to buy a new one. I just like having money on deck ready that I don't have to pull from our budget. So we'll just add all of that in. And now he has 1,500, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. So what I'll probably end up doing is just putting all this cash into his regular personal money sinking fund, which is for his clothes or whatever. And we'll just keep pulling from the sinking fund here. So 20, 30, we'll go ahead and give ourselves a 20. And then he'll have 42. So total we added 25 plus 17. So that's $35, $42 we added total. And now he has 1542. Yeah, because we pulled from it. So beefing that back up. Y'all should see it. He has a whole like blueprint drawing for his aquaponics system that he's setting up outside. Next up is me. I am getting $18. So that should give me a total of, no, I didn't do this right. $18. I just wanted to give myself a total of $20. So I'm just gonna put all this back in here. I really should have given myself $12. So plus 12 is 20. Then next up is E. Eva had $81. I took one away and she is getting another 20. So now she should have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Plus 20 and minus 1, we'll just say 100 even. Next is Tess. So I'm switching over to my Tesla cash envelope, and we're gonna move our car maintenance money over to there. The goal is $3,300, and the goal is to put $100 a month in there. So in the month of October, we added 75. Today we are going to add 50. So 20, 40. I'm not using that folded 10. There we go. So now all together, let's see if we can, yeah, never mind. I need to switch to a 20. Not a folded 20. Ooh, it's a whole bunch of blue dye on that 5. That's a thing lately. I hope I'm not getting fake money. What does that mean when I have a lot of blue dye? Does that mean somebody just had their money in a pair of fresh jeans? What does that mean? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 125. So we are going to build this bad boy up so we could be ready in case Tess needs us. So we added 50 and we now have 125. Next up is fun money. Fun money is only getting $10. So it now has 20, 30, 5. We have no plans to spend money on fun. I just build it up slowly over time because we end up putting money in there. Like we end up spending this money somehow. Next up is beauty. Beauty is getting $38. 20, 30, 5, and then I don't know. Okay, good. I have enough ones. Yay, it always works out. Okay, so 20. Let's see if we can do something with this. We can give ourselves a 20. And then we got us some 5s. Yeah, we'll do that. Put that back. So altogether now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 11, 12, 13. $113 for beauty. 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 You know I'm from B-More. I had to do it. Oh, if you know, you know. So 113? Dog. Dementia is a real thing. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yeah, 113. Man. Just went right out the window there. Okay, we're not stuffing Hawaii today, but I do want to update it because we ended up using all of this money. Minus 2K leaves us with a new balance of 0. This is an online sinking fund. We use it to pay for our car insurance for the next 6 months, and I put the rest in our emergency fund. That's straight how I'm feeling, guys. I'm done with adding money to the emergency fund. I'm so over it. I know I have to pull from it later this month for an unexpected thing that happened with the house, and that is why I love this new rental property emergency fund that I'm building up. So I won't have to pull from our money anymore, but it's okay. At least we have it, and I already have another check coming in later this month. Hopefully that will cover that, and I'll be able to put that money right back into our emergency fund. We're not doing anything with taxes. Giveaways is getting $5. I move these used 5s to the back. Okay. Oh, perfect. We can do some stuff. $4. I hate that. That's all right. Give ourselves a 20. So now we have 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, $24. So we did use some. Whoa, dropped it. So we'll just do one of these numbers and put that it now has $24. We're not stuffing YouTube today. Amazon is getting $15. Why is it empty? Why are you empty, Amazon? Clearly I've messed up somewhere. Okay, let me write myself a note. Amazon is supposed to have $44, so we're going to pull that from today's bank, $44, and we're going to add another 15. That's going to give us $59 total. 20, 40, 50, 5. I don't have enough ones. I'm just going to do 60. That is crazy. 20, 40, what am I wrong with? 60. What is going on? Clearly I reached for an envelope and I pulled from the wrong one. That might be a first for me. So we'll just say it now has $60. But I leave myself notes and I throw stuff at the same time. Next up is Louie Louie. This is for repairs. In case one of my products needs it, we're gonna add $10. Just 10. Let's see. Oh, it's a 20 now. So now it has $120, $40. Today just feels weird. It feels weird. Like weird stuff is happening. Getting this video done. Okay, and I think that was it because we're not stuffing property. I'll update that later on. I'll deal with this at the end of the month because I will be depositing this to add toward our mortgage. Your girl has not been playing, okay? Okay. Extra to the mortgage. Coming for you, mortgage. I paid my property tax for the first time today on my own without an escrow account. I'm just like, yes. I just like to go through this and do this swap out. Keeps my envelopes from being stressed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. This will get a $10 bill. Not you, crusty bill. I don't know, y'all. It's just a method to the madness. It works. This is how we still use credit cards, but use cash to stay responsible. See, I'm already putting money to the side. When I know we've spent money, I will pull it from out of an envelope. So I probably pulled that money from out of Amazon by mistake to cover some transactions, but it's okay. That ain't no thing. Okay, so let's count this up. We already know we're going to be short at least $60, but that's okay. And we know we're going to be short $100 for self-care because I forgot to pull that out the bank for cash tomorrow. So this will go to Amazon subscriptions. So we should be short $160, which means that I should have a total of $340 total left over. Nothing without my calculator, people. So 500 minus 160 that we're going to replenish from the bank should leave us with 340 minus this 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 minus 120, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, minus 175. I'm already over. What in the world? Okay, so 60 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 plus 120. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 plus 175. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. So I actually have 361. So that's good. And then let's see how short I am. Minus 500. So I only need to pull $139 out of the bank to cover Amazon and self-care, and then I will be good. This is my bank money. We keep this on hand for change, baby, for change. And I need to swap these 5s out for some 10s. So I'll probably do that at our next bank run. Sometimes I get 50s and 100s and put it in here too. So you know, I might do that. Well, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.